guys, you're watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain and guys, today we are up with a new video and this video will be a surprising video because we are up with a surprise. Surprising connection between German and English words. Yes guys, you heard it correct. This is gonna be super duper interesting, helpful and of course a very knowledgeable video. Make sure to follow this channel, subscribe this channel, make sure to share this video with your fellow German friends, fellow German learners, because this can actually help you out in a very great way. Make sure to watch this video till end, and if you're watching for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi Jain. I am a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online and offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up classes and whatnot. So whatever you can think around German, German Gyan is a one-stop solution. So make sure to subscribe, make sure to follow us, and let's start the video because I'm very excited. Are you? Let's go.
Do you all know that English and German share over 60% of their vocabulary? Some words look the same, sound the same, and even mean the same. But some are false friends. They look similar but have different meanings. So we are going to discuss all these in this video. Now question is, why are German and English similar? So both come from the Germanic language family. Then many English words have German roots thanks to old Anglo-Saxon influence, and that's why learning German is easier than you think. First, let's discuss the words that are almost the same in German and English. For example, the first English word is house. Now in German also we call it house only, although the spelling is little different. Then second is hand in English. In German it is Hand, but now this time the pronunciation is same. I mean the spelling is same. Third is name. In German it is Name. Now in this case also the spelling is same. Fourth is finger. In German also it is finger. The next is arm. Now arm is same in both the languages. The next is fish. Again the pronunciation is same in both the languages, but there is just a slight difference of spelling. In German you have to add extra C. Then water. Now in English it is water, in German it is Wasser. Then next word is light. In English it is light, in German it is Licht. So these words are almost the same, like they either follow the same pronunciation or same spelling. Now the next term is of false friends. Now false friends means that you will have the same spelling in German and in English language, but their meanings will be completely different. For example, the first word is gift. Now in English, gift means a present that you give to someone for like on some occasion like this. But if you use the same word in German language, then gift means poison. So this is the false friend. Second is rat. Now in English, rat is an animal, but in German it is Rat and it means advice. The third word is bald. In English, bald means a person with no hair, but in German again we have the same word which is bald. The spellings are same, but it means soon, which is S-O-O-N, soon. Next word is chef. In English, chef means a person who cook the food in a restaurant or in a cafe like that. But in German, chef means boss. Then another word is rock. Rock means like some rock music, but in German, rock means a skirt. Then next is handy. Now handy means that something which is handy, which you can just carry like this only. But in German, handy means mobile phone. So don't get confused, because if you say ich habe ein Gift für dich, it doesn't mean that I have a gift for you, it means I have a poison for you. So be aware of using the correct words. Don't fall for false friends. Now let's see some German words used in English which you already know. Now English has borrowed many German words, so you might be using German daily without knowing it. For example, the first word which is kindergarten. Now, kindergarten is a German word, but we use it in English also, which is a preschool for kids. Next word is Zeitgeist. This is again a German word which we use in English also, and it means the spirit of the time. Next German word is Angst. We use the same word in English and it means deep anxiety. Then another German word is Wanderlust. We again use this same word and it means a person who have love for travel. Then next is doppelganger. Now of course we use the same word in English and doppelganger means look alike. Then another word is rucksack. Of course we use the same word and it means a backpack. Now how many words of these did you already know? Comment section में drop कर दो. Now the time for a quick quiz. Time to test yourself. What do you think these words means? You need to write the answers in the comment section below, and the words are on the screen, which are bank, roman, brief, chef. Let's see who get them right.
So guys, how was this video? I hope now you are expert of this, that what are the German and English words are having a connection. Thank you so much for showering lots of love. We'll catch you in the next one. Children, keep learning German. The German gang, take care.